A lot of the farms that I looked at, have $1 million, so you have to see the value kind of in having an agribusiness, which you guys would do when a normal bank wouldn't. This farm, to a normal bank, there was really no value in this house. It was basically falling down. So you guys saw, sort of my vision for, having a lot of energy to fix everything up and make it into something that was going to be not just, where I live, but also my livelihood. I've always felt that you were able to see the vision that I had for this place, even when it was probably not obvious to anyone else. I mean, it was sort of in a tragic state of disrepair when I got it, but you could see where I was going to go with it, and always sort of felt like there was some confidence in being able to do that.